Well, Johnny be fine and Johnny be fair, and he wants me for to wed. And I wouldn't marry Johnny, but me father up and said, I'm going to tell you, daughter, what your mother never knew, that Johnny is a son of mine, and so is kin to you. Well, Seamus be fine and Seamus be fair, and he wants me for to wed. And I wouldn't marry Seamus, but me father up and said, I'm going to tell you, daughter, what your mother never knew, that Seamus is also a son of mine, and so is kin to you. Well, Michael be fine and Michael be fair, and he wants me for to wed. And I wouldn't marry Michael, but me father up and said, I'm going to tell you, daughter, what your mother never knew, that Michael is also yet another son of mine, and so is kin to you. Well, you never saw a girl so sad and lonely as I was. The boys are all me brothers, and me father is the cause. Well, if this should continue, I will die a single miss. I think I'll go to mother and complain to her of this. Well, didn't I tell you, daughter, to forgive and to forget? Your father sowed his wild oats, but still you must not fret. Your father may be father to all the boys, but still he's not the man who sired you, so marry who you will.